TrendSpider to go over a prime example of using the candlestick chart on the left, the raindrop chart on the right. You can use the candlestick on the right, the raindrop on the left, doesn't really matter as long as you have a split screen. And what we're really focusing on in this particular video is looking at the candlestick wicks. We talk about this all the time. This was just a perfect case study today, the continuation today, but yesterday's candle, looking at what was going on within this wick yesterday. So we see this wick on Monday, April 5th, but you can see within the raindrop, notice how much volume is aggregating within this wick. So don't look at this wick as sellers coming in. Look at this wick as really aggressive buying coming in, that buying being over for the day, and the price is able to drop because the demand curve shifted. Not because the supply curve shifted increasing, but because the demand curve shifted back once those really aggressive buyers were done buying. So anytime you have a really strong move up, you have a pullback, you always want to see what's going on within this wick. And you can see using the raindrop that we knew there was very aggressive and heavy conviction by buyers. Now, consider the March 15th candle here. Same thing, we have an arrow. Notice within this wick, there's not a lot of volume at the top of the range. It's kind of aggregated across the entire range. And you can even see during the second half of the day, a lot of that volume is at the bottom half of this raindrop. Now, opposite of what we saw yesterday, where all of that volume is at the top of the range within this wick. So being able to compare the raindrop versus the candle is something that is very crucial using the TrendSpider platform and can give you a huge edge in the market. If you have any questions, let us know. You can try out raindrops for 7 days free. And if you have any questions, as I mentioned, we have our customer success team. We have our Twitter DMs. You can just ask a question on the post and we'll answer it there. So a lot of different ways you can get questions answered. Everybody have a great night and thanks for watching.